Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing Epic MiniGames in only like 5 rounds. Anyways guys, before I start with this video, I want you guys to go subscribe to my BFF's YouTube channel. It's almost her birthday. After tomorrow it's gonna be her birthday. So she only has 10 subscribers, so I want her to have at least 50 by her birthday, which is after tomorrow, and that's crazy. But I think we can do that. So her YouTube channel name is called Elisa Roblox World. Her name's Elisa. And by the way, guys, do you guys like my new avatar? It's inspired by Elisa, to be honest. I was inspired by Elisa, to be honest, because she got a new avatar, and so it had the Roman bowl. So I just, got inspired. That's how you say it. But anyways, guys, so we are starting now, and I want to have at least one win in this video. So yeah. What? Number t-shirt, it's true. Oh my god, okay. So, we're gonna have a win. For sure, I hope. Because if we don't have a win, I'm going to be so embarrassed because you guys are watching this. Also guys, please go subscribe to me. And Elisa, of course. Anyway, guys. Ooh, let's see what we got here. I only have 700 coins, so I bet there's literally nothing for the... Oh my god, there's stuff for 50 cents. I'm not a cheapskate though, so I'm not gonna get those. I'm pretty sure it's true. Yeah. Also guys, I'm sorry if I'm talking low. I do not know why I'm talking low. But anyways, ooh, let's go on the slide. Okay. Okay. This video is gonna take a long time to upload. Oh my god, everyone, okay, these two boys want to go on. Are they twins? Protect this statue. Ooh, okay, I hope we win. Because I love this game so much. So if I lose on my favorite game, like on my second favorite game probably, I will be mad. So guys, okay, this is a teamwork thing. So we have to work hard. And I don't know if I'm being cringy or not, but yeah, I'm scared. Come on, guys. You guys are still close. Oh no. Oh, I got you, big girl. Oh no. Oh, the statue was destroyed. Wow. That wasn't my fault, though. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed to show you guys. I have 340 wins. My friends have like 3,000. Elisa has 3,000 something. And I'm on level 12 and she's on level like 50 something. I don't know. I'm embarrassed to show you guys this. And I'm pretty sure it's true. Oh yeah, I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm shaking right now, guys. Aww. No. Okay. Okay, guys, look at my head. Whatever. Oh my god, it's so silent here. Oreo Plazy. I want to see if Alexa is online. So someone, hold on, let me see if she's online. And I'm pretty sure it's true. Yeah. Where is she? Come on. Okay, hold up. Let me set. Okay, she is not online. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Ooh. Almost missed that one. What? How come I always lose this game? I'm not even joking with you guys. So if I win this, I'm going to be so surprised. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna win this. Oh my god. This person keeps on winning. Ooh, I like that avatar. He's cute. But in Roblox, I mean, not cute in real life. Because he's probably ugly in real life, but I don't want to be mean. But yeah, that's how it works. Anyways, guys. So, I don't want to be mean though when I say that. But anyways, guys. So, okay, this is one of my favorite games too. This is my, like, 4th favorite. Okay, so guys, okay, so you guys should definitely, oh mama, okay, you guys should definitely go to my, other videos, because I post a lot, and, I probably post every Saturday, probably. Oh wow, I'm done, how fast. But, yeah, yeah. That's all I can say. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, guys, I think this round is going to be the last round. Or, yeah, 2 more rounds. How about that? Well, I'll see, okay? I just need my win. Okay, I'm not playing this game. I hate this game so much. Should I not? Okay, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna try. But I already know I'm gonna lose right when I'm here. Right when I'm right here. You guys, I'll show you guys. Mama. You see, I told you guys. I told you guys. Ugh. I wanna change my title. I'm gonna change my title. Okay, titles right here. What should we do? I don't know what to do. Oh god, I don't know how to do this. We can do, I need 10 more cents, hold on. And then I want to get mine. Okay, I need 10 more cents to get my favorite one. Oh my god, no. Oh, how am I supposed to do it? Ah. Oh my god, I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared, you guys. Oh my god, what is happening? Guys, I'm not gonna win this. Ah, oh no. I told you guys. Okay, so this is going to be the last round and I'm gonna be done. Okay. I need more cents to get my favorite title. Whoa. Come on. I need 10 more coins, I mean, not cents. Oh my. Well, I think Alisa's on here. She has to be on here, I know. She has 3,000. What? Oh, she's not on here. Okay. Oh my god, wait, what? I do not have 21 wins. I don't have 21 wins. I have 340 wins. 341 wins now. I only won one time. Okay, come on team, we gotta win this. I don't even know how to play this game. I know how to play it, but like, I played it before, but this game is very confusing because I have no idea how to do this. So we literally just have to crack a code, and it's like pretty hard because you don't know where they want to tell you it. Oh yeah, our team's gonna win. You guys can already see it. There's literally only red cubes. Like, there's only like 3 blue cubes. But yeah, that's just bad. We're gonna win. I just know it. You guys can thank me later. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so now we're gonna get my favorite right here. I love it. Okay, so let's see it. Oh, I love it. So cute. Okay, so guys, I am going to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, so you make sure you guys go subscribe to my BFF's YouTube channel, Alisa. Her channel is Alisa Roblox World. Once again, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I want to hit 40 because I'm very close to 40. I have like 34, or I don't know. Yeah, 34. And so yeah, I'm gonna hit 40. But I just wanna, yeah. Bye guys, love you guys, bye.